Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter set for ICSC class 6 mathematics. Chapter set for ICSC class 6 mathematics. First of all, what is set? Set is the collection of well-defined item, well-defined group, well-defined, which you can think what would be come into the group, like the set of T. Set of T means you know that there should be cup, plate, and so on. Set of Indian cricket team player. It is also set because you know what should be the element of the item. It is known as set. The set is two types. If you could not divide, could not define, then it is not set. Example, the set of intelligent pupil, it is not set because you cannot conformally set that who will come in this area. In set, the any topic written here is known as element. Now we will discuss about the type of set. We have defined the set, that well-defined group is known as set. Well-defined collection group is called set. Type of set. How many type of set? There are three type of set. Description. In this type of set, you can say statement about the collection, about the set, about the group, such that whole number less than 12. Whole number less than 12. It is also a set because it is well defined which element will come in this criteria. The natural number greater than 5, it is also set, and this is descriptive set. Second type is roster or tabular. Set. In roster or tabular, you can write with English capital anything as element. It is the element 1, 2, and 3 is element, and A is the name of set. If in description natural number less than 5, this is the description method, and if you write this criteria, this definition into roster or tabular, then you can write it 3, 4. This is known as roster or tabular method. And the third method is rule method. Rule or set builder method. Set builder method. It can be written in the form such that A is equal to X, such that X is natural number and X is less than 5. So there are three methods: descriptive method, roster or tabular method, rule and set builder method, and you can return by changing the topic as so on. Type of set. It is the method of set. Type of set also define many types of set. Finite set. In finite set, there is limited number of elements. Limited. The natural number less than 5, it is finite set, because you can write the element 1, 2, 3, 4. Second is infinite set. Infinite set, there are infinite elements and you cannot write in A equal to, you cannot write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is infinite set. If you return less or greater than 5, then you can write it 6, 7, 8 and so on. It is greater than 5. Singleton set. If there is only one element. Singleton set. If there is only one element in the set, such that natural number less than 7 and greater than 5. Natural number less than 7 and greater than 5. You know that there is only one element, 6. And empty set. Empty set is the set if there is no element. Empty set. If there is no element, the natural number less than 1. Natural number less than 1. You know there is no element, so it is known as empty set. Empty set. It is also written 5. But you could not return this. This is not empty set. Empty set can be demonstrated by this or this. Cardinal number. What is cardinal number? Cardinal number is the number in a set 1, 3, 5, 7. There are 4 numbers in A. So cardinal number of A is equal to 4. Equal set. What is equal set? Next topic is equal set. If the element is same, equal set, then it is known as equal set. A is equal to A, B and C, and B is equal to A, B, A, C, 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 A. It is known as equal set. Then A is equal to B. It is equal set. This is the mathematics of class 6 ICSE set. And for calculation and solution of this chapter set, you can visit our site seticschelp.com. And if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.